Nick from Wellntel here. If you missed our big launch at the National Groundwater Association Expo last month, or if you were frustrated by the long lines to see Wellntel in action, we wanted to show you what was on display and more importantly how easy it is to get started understanding groundwater with a Wellntel home system for domestic and small farm groundwater wells. When you open the Wellntel box, you'll find these items: a Wellntel sensor, a Wellntel gateway, a Wellntel extreme weather battery pack, and parts and cables to make installation and operation easy. We also include a quick start installation card. Step 1 is to locate power and connect your gateway. Plug in the gateway to a power outlet, plug in the supplied Ethernet cable to the gateway, and then the free Ethernet port on the back of your DSL or cable modem, and make sure you see the lights on the gateway blinking. Next, we're going to install the Wellntel sensor. If you live in an area where well seals are the norm, you'll follow these instructions. Well seals like this one have access ports. Locate yours and use a box wrench to remove the plug. Since well seals also have pipes and connectors for water and electricity exiting above the seal, we will suggest using a common riser pipe, also called a nipple, to lift Wellntel out of the way of other fittings. Follow local plumbing codes to tape and tighten any connection. The Wellntel sensor has three important components: the well probe, the sealed sensor unit, which comes pre-attached to the brains contained in this weatherproof box under a lockable cover. Slip the well probe into the new riser pipe. Thread the sensor unit and brains onto the riser. Place the batteries in the canister, locating the red and black leads. Using a small screwdriver, attach the red lead to the connector marked DC 9 volts and the black wire to the negative just below it. Your Wellntel is now operating. Just for fun, press the plus button to force a measurement, then place the cap over the brain can and lock it if you choose using the supplied combination lock. Then return to the house, log into the internet and register your system. During the registration process, we'll ask a few questions about where you live, details about your well to help improve performance, and you can begin to program alerts about a pending problem or something needing attention, like low water or low battery. In this way, you don't have to visit the website to know what's going on down there. You will be notified via email or text message. You can also send these alerts to your well service professional. Once registration is complete, log in and see what's happening in your well. The first few readings will already be showing on your dashboard. It may take a few measurements over a couple of hours or days to calibrate, but once that has happened, Wellntel will stay calibrated. You'll start to see patterns in pumping, water level, and the health of your well and your groundwater.